Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet. It's a stock option scanner. By using the scanner, how we find out effectively the weekly and monthly and intraday breakout trades. So in this case, weekly and monthly, it works based on my advanced option strategy, and intraday that works based on Camarilla R4 breakout in both call and put. So here this week we got a lot of opportunity in call set compared to the put. Some stocks maybe like a sale was not a good liquid one. Remaining some stocks like Federal Bank, M&M, Wipro, Bajaj Auto, that was giving you such a good result. So maybe we got almost entry in nearby 20 stocks. From there, we find opportunity which moved more than 50% in around 5 stocks. By using weekly scanner, we try to take a positional opportunity based on weekly. So maybe Monday and Tuesday, if you got an entry, so we have another 3 more days to hold the position because sorry, because every week the sheet is going to be updated weekly, and intraday sheet is updating every day, and the monthly sheet is updated monthly one. So according to that sheet last week, we find a lot of opportunity. Some opportunity may not trigger or may not given you the entry opportunity what we are exactly looking for. So for example, Federal Bank 147. So I'm going to open Federal Bank 147 is the call option. When is our entry point? So you exactly look for this entry point is around 8.4. So when did we got that 8.4? Maybe at this point 8.4 on 10:45 on 15th February. So this weekly sheet is valid last week 12 to 16. Okay. So at the day where 15th we got an opportunity, it is not a positional opportunity. Maybe if you want to take a positional, so we can go for, because only one day is for that weekend. Okay, because we are planning a weekly positional. Maybe if you are taken at the same day as an intraday 8.4 and same day it is closed nearby 11.2, that's a good opportunity. Next day it went up to 19. So if you have holded, that would be giving you some better opportunity. How we filter out some opportunities like a fresh breakout. So what we mean is a fresh breakout. So simply we are going to look for a entry point. So based on our Google Sheet, for example, 8.4 in this case of Federal Bank, that is an entry. So we should wait, that entry should trigger after 9:30 any of the day in the weekdays from Monday to Friday 9:30. After only we are looking for a breakout. So if that level is broken in the first 15 minutes candle, either 9:15 to 9:30, we don't consider as a breakout. So because mostly the gap up and gap down which happen in the market, sometimes the premium will open by higher and then it is moving down, because option premium, it is having the nature of decay the premium, or a time decay or a time value, something like that. Okay, so here 9:30 after, so this is what a perfect valid entry, but it is happening on Thursday, so only we have a Friday 2 days holding. So but in this case it achieved our target, no problem at all, but some of the stocks may not be give you such a good result in within 2 days, because it's a weekly position we are looking for in weekly. And M&M 1640, that was a great trade. We have tried to take 1640 call option. So that was given. Here you can see 199, 102. Where is our entry point? 102.8. And this is also happening on 15th of February. The high is 102. Our breakout point is 102.8. That was not broken in the first 15 minutes candle. So it is happening on 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle. This is called a valid breakout. After a valid breakout, if it is came down to the lower level also, we can try for that. The same day it went up to 154, almost achieved our target also. Wipro 490. So you need to manually track, because here we are finding all 184 F1 stocks which is available in a future and option segment. So 30.8 in Wipro. So when it is triggered 30.8, you can see the previous close is 30.35. That means the 14th February. The next day, by opening itself, it was started with 33. In the first candle itself, the entry point is given you the breakout. So this I didn't consider as a valid breakout. After a down, after such a move on down from 30, again, once again, if it is give you a breakout, then we can go for, or else we can ignore this particular thing. So because of valid, not valid. So Bajaj Auto 7,800. Let me go for 7800 call option on Bajaj Auto. So whereas our entry point is around 346, maybe here 376, and that was maybe triggered here 346.5, maybe 347. Here 325 is the high. Here you can look at this at 3 o'clock, 345 here, 343. So by 14th closing, 315 to 330 candle. So that is a valid entry for a positional. On 14th we got it. So we have a 2 more days for a holding, and 15th it was not moving well, and 16th that was giving you our target. So from 200 and 340 nearby 600 it went up. So this weekly positional we have planned with the weekly basis only. So now today this sheet is going to be updated for next week from 19th to 21st, sorry, yeah, 19th to 23rd. The last 5 days, and the next week is the expiry. As per our positional strategy, if you are holding a position, last week we are not going to take any position because of physical delivery. We are not going to take any new position, and whatever the position which we have hold based on the concept up to 23rd, we are going to try to exit out from the trade because last week of expiry. So we face physical delivery and high margin is required to hold the option position, even if it is ATM or ITM. So as per our monthly concept, so this month as of now, so we have a lot of stocks, maybe some of the stocks which triggers our entry by the beginning, but overall, if you are looking at, so almost we have 25 stocks in a call side, almost 23, 24 stocks in a call side that was triggers positively, and it is giving you the such a big breakout. Look at the Federal Bank 9.6 is our entry, and that is also giving you such a good benefit. Momentum 101, 1660. That was a monthly opportunity. PNB 11 to 18. So a lot of stocks, and MRF maybe due to liquidity. BPCL again 500 call option this month, February. So BPCL 502.5. So maybe it is currently not liquid. Why? Because of the market has already moved very huge. You can see why it is not liquid. It's the market is already moved, but our entry point from the beginning of the month we are tracking that breakout 35.8. So when it is we got a 35.8, maybe at this day 35 at this particular day because of the liquidity issue. Why? Because of if you are taking a in between numbers like a 305, sorry, 500 and 505. If we are looking at a 502.5, it may not be a liquid. Instead of that, you know well how to calculate the entry point based on our strategy. So 500 option, which we can simply, you can see this is also right now liquid because it is almost 173. Market is moved from 500. It's a big move on BPCL this month. You can look at this almost 690. That's why the intrinsic value which is available on this premium, on this particular strike price, so it is trading almost 158. That is a opportunity which we can plan with this. Here you can see 133 when it is our entry 27 on 2nd February itself. So 35.8, 35.8 which triggers here at this point almost 2nd February itself. Okay, and the second day of the entry, and our target may be achieved in the next 2 days. But as of now, it is giving you such a big opportunity, big movement in the monthly basis. So here this month, so we have a many more call side as well as put side. So put side we have triggered almost most of the stock which is triggered is almost 10+%, and in a call side, so we have a large number of stocks, almost 25 stocks that given, and few stocks which I seen today this month is Tata Motor. Those who are doing the hedging strategies, they will be making some good amount of profit. But naked trade, it went higher and it triggers your stop loss. Again, it bounces back. Tata Motors. If you are looking at the chart, maybe that one is triggered our stop loss as per the concept. But hedging, that always be a better. Tata Motor, if I'm looking, look at the chart. So here is the top one where it is made high 948. After that, it came to 894. Again, it came to the nearby the peak. So this time here we got opportunity, and maybe that has also be a gap up, and after that it came down and again reached back. Okay, if you are doing an hedging, so we don't worry about it. So based on our concept. And intraday, so daily we are looking for some opportunity. So at least 10 to 15% in intraday, that's a good opportunities in one or two stocks. Not to take all the stocks. Simply to find out after 9:30, you can look at this those stock which is below 200. From that stock, you need to select a quality one which breaks the high. That Camarilla R4. For example, Camarilla R4 here lot of stocks. Let assume Tata Communication 1760. Let me check Tata Communication 1760. It's a call option. You can look at this. That here is an entry point. So 51.1. So here the breakout which is happening 11:45. So if we are avoiding the stock which breaks our level before 9:30. After 9:30, if it is breaks, such a stocks only we are looking for an opportunity. Such a good breakout which we have seen. And Federal Bank already in our monthly weekly positional. Here also it came into intraday 157. So let me check whether it is a valid breakout. Federal Bank 157. So you can look at this. It's happening on second candle, not in a first. Second candle that given a breakout around 5.75, it moves to 10. So that is a one more good opportunity. We find out based on that Camarilla R4 breakout, which is available on this Google Sheet scanner. So now what we are going to plan for those stocks which is triggers after 9:30 that we are looking for an intraday opportunity. Okay. And now we are going to change the data for tomorrow. That is what Monday weekly sheet and monthly sheet is going to be updated, and remaining monthly is sorry weekly and intraday would be updated, and monthly sheet will be still remaining same. And because of monthly ones only, we are going to update the sheet. Okay, that is for a positional one based on the advanced option strategy concept. If you wish to learn our advanced option strategy concepts also, you just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown in this video. Let me change that data. Try to find out and I update in this particular position. I'm just going to update you here in the right now. So all the data, why it is about a back test and also how it is performed, that we can update with this video. And the data would be updated and changed very soon. So let me wait for the update. I'm just going to do the update right now. Okay, so just we're going to change the data and values, which is simply we can update. And this is the background, so running a lot of complex mechanisms which we are running. So if you want to access the Google Sheet, and it is a monthly subscription available. So if you wish, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number, which shown on this video, and you will be having the access, get access to this particular sheet also. That would be purely for stock option, not for an index. Someone was asking for an index, but it is purely for a stock option. So from among 200 stocks would be there. So we will be picking out some stocks from this list that will be helping you to find out good opportunities. Okay, so let me check the Friday, 16 February. Just simply updating the data for weekly as well as intraday. Monthly won't be changed because this monthly is the monthly ones only. We are going to update that data feed. Okay, so let me run. So now once it is updated, the world data would be gone. So because it is a real-time scanner, so we are not saving in the backtest. So by making a video, so by using that video, you will be easily find out past performance of that also. So and some of the steps to follow, if you're following the right steps, and that would be a better opportunity to make such a good thing. So now the sheet is updating right now, and you're looking for a weekly positional, and now it is updated, and these are all the things. So we don't find out any stock which is nearby 100. So hope you understood. And monthly is still remaining same, and what are the stocks which is already triggered from the 1st of February. So that would be listed here. And intraday also be changed, and some of the stocks which you are seeing before entry point. So these are all the options, it's not liquid. Simply I show you with the example, ZEAL 185. Okay, so ZEAL 185 put option. You can see there is no liquidity on this particular strike price. It is not traded well. So if any options which showing you the 100, you simply ignore those stocks on Monday. And in copper, bottom, G, here you can see ZEAL put as well as call, both it's in the same side. It is not a liquid. And something like that, sale 127, 127, simply not liquid. So apart from this, we find out an opportunity from this list. So we can look at this, there is no liquidity at all. So while before placing trades in the stock options, so you need to be very careful about the stock should have liquid and very good liquidity needed and good volume and less bid ask spread. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions and doubt, just ping me here in the chat box. Thank you.